I'm excited to share with you that Xbox Live is bringing Pizza Hut to your Xbox 360. Now, I've already synced my Xbox account with my pizzahut.com account, so it already knows who I am, where I live, and what my preferences are. Let's build a pizza.
Let's fucking order pizza! What's going on, Destructoid? Hamza Aziz, and I'm here to review the exclusive app for the 360, Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut, the app. It's not a game. It's not a movie. It is a thing you use to order possibly tasty. I don't actually remember. I haven't had Pizza Hut in a really long time. I don't remember if it's actually good. But pizza. We're gonna order some pizza. Official Destructoid review. Let's go. Connect. What do you guys want? What is this? T-bone? Pizza. It's fucking pizza. We have to fucking create it. No, cancel. Damn it. This is so fucking convenient. Fucking go the other way. Go back. What the fuck? Connect. No. How do I remove things? Connect. Remove. This is $14 for a fucking cheap pizza? Okay. Hey! What does that mean? I wanted the fucking crazy cheese breaded fucking... What the fuck? This is stupid! No, go back. Look. Pay? Submit order! Submit my order. Now. That's not helpful. No location ID found. I put my address in there. Everything's better with Connect. Submit. Did it work? Freezing. Oh really? Are you okay? This isn't me acting actually, by the way. I'm seriously just frustrated. But there's a 15% discount. What does that mean? That is our... What the fuck? Amazing piece of technology.
1 out of 10.
So after like 15 minutes, I finally figured out what the problem was. It didn't like our address. I guess because San Francisco has weird addresses. So what ended up happening is I've given our neighbor's address, but the instructions on the delivery says, call, don't ring the doorbell. So when they get here, they better call us, otherwise they're about to give our pizza to the neighbors. But we do know that it's supposed to get here at 7:01 p.m., which is in a half hour. It's gonna be our lunch/dinner. And the cool thing is, we can share this on Facebook. We ended up actually canceling whatever we were trying to get before, so we're getting the big dinner box with wings, bones, wings with bones. Gotta state that fact. Boneless people, you folks who like boneless, you're weird. Share. Xbox. Share. Paper airplane. What the fuck is the point of the Kinect? I'm about to use the controller.
Oh, what? Pizza! Alright. See what you get,
Alright. Well, I thought I only ordered 2 sodas, but I just saw that we got 3.
What?
And we got wings, we got meats, we got cheese, and we got breads. This guy has no idea. He just delivered one of the first Better with Connect experience pizza deliveries in San Francisco. What's up, IGN? What's up, Greg Miller? You couldn't order your fucking pizza because supposedly there's no Pizza Hut San Francisco? Bitch, look at this shit! Bitch! Got the big party box, 2 medium pizzas, cinnamon sticks, chicken wings with bones. All in all, I'd say it was pretty good. I'm only doing this because of work and because Nero paid for it. Free pizza! 10 out of 10! Woo!
Wait, get your motors running, cause here we go. Top with the sauce, spreading it slow. Oreo!
DLC right here, as you can see, deliverable cheese pizza. That's my joke.